PCSO Anniversary Race. 1,600 meters is the distance. Anytime now. Best of luck to all of you bettors. Gates open, they're up and racing. Pugad Lawin draws for your lead. Sky Dragon Danori inside. Divine Eagle moving a party outside. Then by the rail is Taneno, Boss Jaden Leonor sneaking in. Then followed by Wild Ginseng, and Appointment is the early trailer as they leave the straight. And now rounding at the 3/4 mile pole. Pugad Lawin in command by about a length and a half. Sky Dragon is running in second, then racing in third, Divine Eagle, followed by Taneno Leonor racing in fifth, then followed by Boss Jaden in sixth, alongside running seventh position, while Ginseng and Appointment is still running at the tail of the field, passing the half-mile pole with Pugad Lawin, the one to catch up. Sky Dragon still hanging in second. Divine Eagle now trying to get closer in third. As they pass the 600 meters pole, it's still Pugad Lawin maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Divine Eagle now getting closer and stronger on the outside as they race for home. Pugad Lawin still leading the field. Divine Eagle now moving a party outside. And shuffle back in third is Sky Dragon with 200 meters to race. Pugad Lawin back to 2 lengths lead. Running in second, Divine Eagle. Then on the outside, Leonor. But it's Pugad Lawin. Finish the race. Second, Leonor. Then comes Divine Eagle. Is Taneno.